Hi, this is Martin on a quick mortgage minute. Thank you again for spending a couple seconds with me here today. Obviously, as you probably heard, the housing market is coming to a little bit of a halt, right? Elections are down the road here in November, and so a lot of people are kind of up in the air. A lot of people want to buy, but they're really wanting to see what happens, right, with the elections. Well, there's still a possibility that you can even have a 4% interest rate on a 30-year mortgage. And right now, since homes are sitting on the market a little bit longer than what they were before, it may be a great opportunity to actually negotiate with the seller of a home, okay? And what I mean by that is the options of a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 buy down are still out there, and it's something that probably the seller of a home right now is more likely to entertain because there isn't as much activity as there was, let's say, a year ago, okay? So again, if you don't know what the 2-1 or 3-1 buy down is, it's for the first year or 2 or even 3 years, your interest rate might be 4% for the first year, 5% for the second year, 6%, and then stay at 6% for the next 28 years, right? Now, if before you get to that 6% you want to decide to refinance, so be it, you can do it. So 2-to-1 and 3-to-1 buy downs are out there still. Again, sellers they know this, the housing market has slowed down, there isn't as much activity, therefore the buyer is at an advantage to try to negotiate more things with the seller, okay? So take that into consideration. If you have any questions, you can reach me directly on my cell phone, which is 714-616-2809. Looking forward to helping you. Have a great day.